is coming up, and I am terrified.
If I was not coming back for bachelors, I would probably be mortified right now.
Don't be mortified. Because if you get mortified, I get mortified because I'm not coming back for bachelors. Joey starts. There were 2 shifts today, and my shift started this morning at 6, and we competed till 9. So we get 3 hours each day for 2 days.
Your overall grade sheet in the challah is 1 page, and the truffles and the cake is the other.
The chefs will be grading them. Chef grading the truffles and mousse cake, and Chef Coppage doing the challah.
Very competitive. Sometimes I look at some of the girls in my class and I think, wow, I wish I could make flowers as well as they do, or I wish that I could temper chocolate as quickly as she does, but I don't. So for me, it's worrisome to think, am I getting the most out of my education here? Am I working as hard as I possibly can so that when I graduate, I'm going to have an edge that's going to make me valuable to somebody when I leave here?
I'll tell you when just keep working.
It's day 2 practical right now. I've already got my challah in the proof box. Right now I'm working on tempering chocolate for the truffles and the chocolate garnishes for our chocolate is prepared work for me. We've got a little more than an hour left to do all my chocolate work and finish my cake, so I have to hurry. But I just finished my challah.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, time is up. All out on 1 tray. Student ID numbers on the appropriate tray. Grading sheet on each tray. You have a couple minutes to do that. If you need to work beyond that, then I have to assess the time penalty. Go on, I just don't want the tray to fall.
So we're waiting for our results. For a practical.
Or grade.
It should be coming out in like 5 minutes or so, at least.
I'm a little nervous, not going to lie, as you like to say.
Yes, not going to lie.
I have a special criteria on that one here. As you see here, in that one here, it is mousse cake, 5th term practical.
I was very nervous about my cake. I was afraid the mousse wasn't going to set.
Yeah.
Which it actually did.
Mine was a little loose.
A little soft.
And
You
hopefully,
kind of jiggled a little
I put it back in the fridge. That's why I was cutting it and putting it back in the fridge.
That's what I did too.
Uniform layers here of mousse. No, one layer is thicker than the other one. As you see here, that one is an air pocket.
The thing I was most scared about was making my truffles. I was worried that it was going to take me too long to temper my chocolate to actually get a good temper on it. But I ended up with a pretty good temper. My temper on my pre-coat was okay, but my temper on my final coat was very nice.
That one here would be a perfect here compared to that.
My challah probably could have been taken out a few minutes earlier.
Mine probably could have been braided just a bit tighter. Because once I expanded more than the other, but...
These were egg washed too early and not egg washed again. And then as they expanded during the baking, we have a gap between the egg wash and the braid underneath. There's just too many large tunnels, which could be from braiding too tight or too loose, and then as it ferments, because again, it's all one loaf. So I'm going to add up the scores real quick and then bring them out to you. You get the score, check the sheet, make sure the points add up to what it's been written down at, and then if you have to redo it, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Yes?
I'm really sorry, but last year there was a mix-up in my numbers, so now I'm all paranoid. This is my tray, and I put my sheet on it, but for some reason there's also Beth's number is on this tray on the other side.
Why is that?
I don't know. I wrote. Did you accidentally write your?
I'm just going to go by what he did. If there's an issue, we'll deal with it. Hopefully you have your number on your tray. As you saw, 1 or 2 students were worried about their number. Something happened last year.
Yeah, it's fine. I'm not worried at all. And then I went in there and I was like, 2, 4. I really moved you guys.
Now, Miguel, Crenshaw. You have any questions? I'll be here. I don't want to hear that you just want to know that you passed, because if you do, I'll change your grade right now.